Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're at Tidbinbilla Visitor Center, and today we're gonna meet so much kangaroos and koalas and more stuff.
And animals.
Look, it's made out of
I think it's
wood. It's made out of wood. Let's go to our adventure.
Yay! Why are we going fast?
I don't know.
Where are we going?
Now we're at this map thingy.
Map? Oh, let's go.
Let's see it. So it says we are here, and this is you says you are here, and this is Tidbinbilla Visitor Center, and then there's rock shelter, Birragai Time Trail, and then there's so we went to the Tidbinbilla Reserve Visitor Center, and then we had to pay $14 for our car so we could meet everything, and there is 15 tracks, and we have to scan this ticket so the gate will open for us to go through. And this is the map.
Well, yes, that's a map. We have to go through all the 15 tracks and we can see all the
animals.
What animals?
There's koala, kangaroos, and much more.
And what else?
I'm not sure. I only know about koalas
Maybe
and
platypus?
kangaroos.
Huh?
Maybe.
No, there's no platypus.
Okay, so we can see, we can show them everything?
Yep.
Okay, sounds good. Okay, can we go?
Yep.
Okay, can you show me the ticket too?
So this is the ticket.
Okay.
So if we scan this barcode, we could the gate will open and then we can go in.
And meet some animals.
Scan the QR code and we're gonna go inside.
Yeah.
There.
It's pretty far in.
And now
we're gonna go in and meet some animals.
see you in there.
Bye.
So now we are inside the nature reserve, and the view is beautiful.
Yeah, and there's a big mountain beside us.
And now we have to try to find the kangaroos, koalas, and the other animals.
I don't see any so far. Yeah. It's gonna go deep.
So now we're gonna go to the Rock Valley and Rock Valley Homestead. It's that way.
Yeah.
And if we go straight, we can go to the heritage site. But first, we're gonna go to the Rock Valley.
Whoa.
Oh.
Whoa. Bumpy. Whoa.
The sound is so smoothing.
No, it's so bumpy. Whoa. Whoa.
So now we're gonna go into the Rock Valley Homestead. Push.
Whoa, that's loud.
Oh, look up there, guys. It's pulling it.
Yeah. It's like be aware from the wasps. Stay away.
Register. Do we have a register?
I don't know. Let's keep going.
I think we have to register that. Oh. Okay, I didn't know that.
I didn't know that either.
Huh?
Write your name and...
Okay.
Can I write my name? Can I write my name?
Huh? Is it the 13th? Okay. 13th. 13th. And then address. So look at the Rock Valley house. It looks like it's very old. It looks kind of destroyed. Let's see what's inside.
Let's go. Let's get a pamphlet.
Let's go inside. So I'm not sure what this is.
Maybe that's where they
Maybe.
That's the
Oh,
Let's go.
looks so old. Let's go inside this room.
Oh yeah. Well,
Oh,
so old.
because because it is old.
Wow.
We could see through. Oh, look at the building.
It's so
It has so much cracks in it.
yeah, and it's different colors.
Oh my god, this looks so cool.
And it's so old. Let's go to another. Let's go in there.
No, let's go inside here.
Whoa, that's so old.
Oh, half of the paint is
Yeah, it's gone.
half of the paint is
There's dirt up there.
Painting, it's not a rendering like
huh?
pretty old.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
Let's
like
go in here.
it's like half of the paint is still on there.
Go in here. Ooh, what's this one?
Okay.
It looks like
There's a window in this one too.
yeah, but small.
There's a hole inside this. If they were still here, so much insects would come inside here. Okay, let's go inside this area.
Whoa.
This is the area where they sit. La la
La
la.
la la. Oh, there's another one.
There's 3 of the chairs.
Yeah.
And this is their backyard. Bite it up.
Oh, there's another one. We'll check it out.
So now there's another 2 more rooms inside there.
Let's go over here.
See the white.
Let's go.
So there's another room here. Let's go inside here.